Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of assignment is Shelly Cashman Excel 2019, Module 7 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. Step 1. Open and save file. Open the provided Excel file and save it with a new name by changing 1 inch to 2. Step 2. Update personal information. Ensure your name is displayed in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. Step 3. Format WordArt. In the Reunion Organizers worksheet, modify the WordArt formatting for the title. Step 4. Import data from web page. Import data from the provided HTML web page into the worksheet. Step 5. Modify imported data. Delete unnecessary data and make required updates in the imported table.
Step 6. Combine first and last names. Use concat function to combine first and last names in a single cell. Step 7. Incorporate imported data. Copy and paste values, format roles, and resize columns accordingly. Step 8. Transpose data. Copy budget data from another worksheet, transpose it and insert it in the designated area. Step 9. Insert and format. Picture. Insert and format a picture of organizers for the reunion. Step 10. Add caption to picture. Insert a text box below the picture to provide a caption. Step 11. Insert SMARTART. Insert SMARTART to display major tasks for the committees. Step 12. Add text to SMARTART. Enter text into the SMARTART shapes as specified. Step 13. Add caption to SMARTART. Insert a text box below the SMARTART to provide a caption. Step 14. Hide grid lines. Hide grid lines on the worksheet for visual appeal. Step 15. Insert banner. Use PowerPoint to extract and paste a banner image into the worksheet.
Step 16. Complete registrations worksheet. Insert total registrations, apply conditional formatting, and break data link. Step 17. Insert chart. Insert a line chart to compare registrations for different reunion years. Step 18. Add information callout. Insert a callout shape to provide additional information. Step 19. Format chart. Modify the chart layout and appearance as specified. Step 20. Insert additional picture. Insert and format an additional picture on the worksheet. Step 21. Save and close. Save all changes, close the workbook, and exit Excel. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original.
To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 73096555268 or log in to our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.